What do we call green in Urdu?
Stop.
Okay, what are you doing here?
I said it. I got this
Which color is this, Emma?
green.
Green is called in Urdu
Yeah.
sabz,
Stop.
hara.
Hara.
Show us the green color. Green color is called in Urdu sabz, hara,
Hara.
sabz,
Stop.
hara.
Hara.
Okay. Which color is this, Emma?
Green.
What do we call green in Urdu?
Stop.
Sabz. Yes, hara.
Hara.
Sabz.
Stop.
हरा भी कहते हैं और सब्ज भी कहते हैं. You remember it? Yes, sabz. What do we call it in Urdu? Sab. Sabz.
So, you will see me in another video.
Allah Hafiz.
I love it.
अहमद कहाँ लेटे हुए हो?
Why push you open and bend it?
बाबा जानी बंद कर रहे हैं ना वो. आप कहाँ लेटे हुए हो? ये कौन सी चेयर है?
The new brush.
हेलो.
I get on this.
गिरना जाना बेटे. Don't fall from here. Ooh. Climbing, climbing. Put on your shoes and come, my little love. Emma, I love you. ये क्या कर रहे हो एमा?
Flushing.
इधर हो जाओ. इधर आ नहीं रहे, कैमरे से निकल गया.